Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to do tropical coloring in CapCut. So first, open your video in CapCut and then go to filters and then find movies category, then select the Inception. Okay, this one, and adjust it into 80. Click on the check icon and then go to adjust and follow the settings. So for the contrast, set it into 11, and then the saturation -8, then set the sharpen into 100, then highlight 11, and then shadow 5. Okay, click on the check icon and then go to overlay and then add this photos, this overlay right here, this white overlay. Adjust it until it fits all your clips. You can screenshot this if you want, then go to splice, overlay, and then set it into 50. And now you are done. Click on the check icon and here is the result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like, and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the videos. Thank you.